Hello, for this video, we'll be discussing about the Volhard method, which is also another type of argentometric titration. The titration reaction is the reaction between your silver ions and thiocyanate ions to form silver thiocyanate. Your excess thiocyanate titrant reacts with your ferric ion to form ferric thiocyanate complex, which is characterized by a blood red solution. The indicator for this titration is your ferric ions, which forms a complex with your thiocyanate titrant. The endpoint is characterized by the formation of the red complex solution. There are also different uses of your Volhard method, one of which is your determination of your halide content, or your chloride, bromide, or iodide in your solution. For the determination of chloride content in your sample, a known excess of your silver ions is added to your sample. This is to precipitate your chloride ions into silver chloride. Your precipitate is then filtered out of the solution and washed. The excess silver ions in your filtrate is then back titrated with your thiocyanate titrant to form your silver thiocyanate solid. And your endpoint is signified by the reaction of your thiocyanate with your ferric ion to form the complex. It is important to filter out your silver chloride precipitate first before doing your back titration, as silver chloride is more soluble than your silver thiocyanate, and this could interfere with your back titration, leading to inaccuracies in endpoint determination. As for your other halides like bromide and iodide, there is no need to filter out their precipitate because their silver salts is less soluble than silver thiocyanate. One characteristic of the Volhard method is that it is performed under acidic conditions. This is helpful because other anions do not interfere in the titration because they have soluble salts in acidic conditions. Such anions are carbonate, oxalate, and arsenate. So for the Volhard method, the complex ferric thiocyanate is our keyword. Make sure you see the blood red solution. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye!